Hi, I'm Lou with Primeline Products. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to install an E-2703 thumb turn into a C1280 patio door handle set in just a few easy steps. Okay, so assuming you've already removed the broken pieces from your handle set, I'm going to set those aside. And these are the parts you'll receive in your package of the E-2703. It's a thumb turn, plastic washer, a wave washer, your tailpiece, and a cut washer. Tools you'll need is a hammer, small piece of block or a book, and I have an extended 3/8, or this one's a 7/16 socket, and so they're going to install in this order. We're going to start with the plastic washer going on the back end of the thumb turn, and that's going to sit on the face of the handle. I want to put that face down with the underside of the thumb turn on top of the block. On top of that, we're going to have the wave washer. Then I'm going to install the tailpiece. And this lock washer, which here we're going to need the socket to hammer that in. That's just about where we want it. And there you have it. Now there is some play, but once you install it into the door, it's going to line with your mortise lock, and that should complete how to install the thumb turn into the handle set. Thank you for watching.